Dear students, today in this session you are going to learn about the topics called search engine marketing versus search engine optimization and directory services and also chain letters. So first if you talk about what is search engine marketing, so already we've seen what is search engine optimization, what is search engine marketing, or what is search engine advertisements. So where we can see these type of marketing or advertising promotions in search engines. So how the search engine will display these type of promotional ads. So in search engines. Once again, we'll see what is search engine marketing. Search engine marketing is a form of internet marketing that involves the promotion of websites by increasing their visibility in a search engine results pages, primarily through paid advertising. Search engine marketing may incorporate search engine optimization, which adjusts or rewrites website content and site architecture to achieve a higher ranking in a search engine results pages to enhance pay-per-click listings. So this means if any business wants to uh, get more number of target audience so from online, that means what, whenever one online user or internet user is going to search any kind of content by using or by typing keywords in search engine, that search engine will search the relevant websites or businesses websites or company websites who are providing the products or services related to the keywords typed by the online users. So if the search engine founds those type of more relevant content in any particular business website, so that a search engine will provide what a higher ranking. So if any website is having this type of higher ranking from a search engine, so that website will be displayed at the top in the list of a search engine results page in a search engine. So that's why every company will uh, try to get more rankings or higher rankings from the search engines by providing relevant information, by updating the relevant information. So from time to time in their websites to get more rankings. So with these rankings only, the company websites will be listed in search engine results pages at the top of the list. And also the search engine also provides to the business companies to promote their products or services in the form of promotional ads or business ads in the search engine page, so which can be displayed to the internet users. So that is called what a pay per click mechanism. So whenever a company's ad is shown in a search engine, so it can reach to more number of internet users. If any internet user is clicked on a particular ad which is shown in a search engine, so it will redirect to the relevant companies websites which displays products or services. So whenever the consumer or customer or any internet user clicked on that particular website which is shown in the search engine, so the business or company has to pay some amount in rupees or dollars, depends upon the country, that is called pay per click, right? So that is the use of what a search engine marketing. So it means search engine marketing is what marketing or promoting the products or services. So by using a search engine techniques called pay per click or promotional listings. And with an increasing number of consumers researching and shopping for products online, search engine marketing has become a crucial online marketing strategy for increasing a company's reach. And in fact, the majority of new visitors to a website find it by performing a query on search engine. that how the companies once companies products or services will be reached to the more number of internet users means what in the form of what displaying ads or pay per click ads in a search engine, right? So that type of marketing is called search engine marketing. So that we can also see in the form of diagram. So already this diagram we have seen, this example we have seen in the last session also. Suppose whenever one internet user typed the keyword called phone, so for example he wants or she wants to know about what are the phones are available in the market, and if they want to purchase any phones uh, from any companies, if they want to see what are the websites or e-commerce websites are going to provide the phones or what are different ads they are showing, if they want to see, they need to type some keywords like this. So this is called a search engine search box. So this is also called what search query, or and also called keyword or phrase. So and whenever the internet user type this search query or keyword in the search engine, so related to this topic, related to this product, related to some content which is typed here, so related to that, the search engine will search different websites who are providing relevant content, who are providing relevant products or services, and who are having higher rankings, who are having what quality content in their websites. Those type of websites will be displayed in the form of different URLs or websites links in this search engine result page. So this result page is also called what search engine results page, and these results are also called organic results. So these this listing is providing by the search engine, so with a free of cost only. That's why this is called search engine optimization. Search engine optimization will provide the listing or provide the rankings based upon the more relevant content the company's websites are maintaining, based upon the keywords typed by the consumers. That is called search engine optimization. So and in the next, in the second part on the right side, sometimes in this page on the top of this organic results or below the organic results, and right side of the organic results, it shows what some ads, these are called sponsored ads, and is also called pay per click ads. And what the use of these type of pay per click ads means, so the companies will pay something, some amount to the search engines to show these type of ads to the internet users. That means what, this is one of the technique to reach more number of target customers or potential customers in easy and efficient manner. So by using these type of ads, so for displaying these type of ads, the company has to pay some amount to the search engines, right? So that's why these are called paid ads, right? So this is also called search engine marketing or search engine advertising or pay per click taking mechanisms for promoting products or services. And if you talk about the difference between a search engine marketing versus search engine optimization or search engine advertising versus search engine optimization. So search engine marketing versus search engine optimization, what is the difference? See, so generally search engine marketing or search engine SEM refers to paid search marketing, a system where businesses pay Google to show their ads in the search results. In order to show the companies once business ads or company ads or promotional ads in the search engine results of different search engines called Google, Yahoo, Bing, what it may be. So they need to pay something to those search engine companies to show their ads in that search results page. And search engine optimization or SEO is different because businesses don't pay Google for traffic and clicks. Rather, they earn a free spot in the search results by having the most relevant content for a given keyword search. That means what? So this is search engine, and for this, for listing their companies URLs or companies websites in this search engine list, no need to pay any amount to the search engines. So, but how the internet users will reach these companies' websites? How they knows? How they will find what type of products the company is going to promote? How they will knows means what? If that company at URL or company website address is listed here in this search results, then only the internet users knows. So, but how one company will reach or one company will shows this list to its internet users means what that depends upon their page rankings and how quality, how relevant content they are maintaining. So how that website content is optimized with the search engines. So that that depends upon uh, the content, more relevant content they are maintaining and they are maintaining up to date information their websites. So that depends upon optimization. But uh, and another way also there for promoting their products by the company in the form of what showing advertisements in the search results. For this type of advertisements, for this type of marketing or promotion, the company has to pay some amount to the search engines. So both SEO and SEM should be fundamental parts of your online marketing strategy. SEO is a powerful way to drive evergreen traffic, while search engine advertisements are highly cost-effective way to drive conversion at the right side or bottom of the organic results. That means what SEO is what they no need to pay any amount by the companies to show their website addresses or links in the search engine result page by the search engines, but they need to get what more traffic from the internet users. If more number of customers are visiting that website, definitely that website will get what more traffic. If any company's website is having more traffic, that will be listed, and that for that company the page ranking will be improved, and with that page ranking only that company URLs or website addresses will be listed in such a result page at the top. Otherwise they can go for what promoting their products or services in the form of what paid ads. For that they need to pay some amount to the search engines who are displaying those paid ads in their search results page, right? And that's it about search engine marketing versus search engine optimizing. So next we can go for one more topic related to this search engine marketing or internet marketing or online marketing. So that is a directory service or directory services. So directory service is a website submission service where your website is added to the proper category in a searchable online directory. So which enhances your site's visibility and creates relevant inbound links to your website. So this means, so nowadays in internet, so many internet business companies are providing internet directory services or business directory services for the marketing companies, for other businesses who are going to maintain the e-commerce websites or any kind of websites to promote their products or services. And how these websites uh, will be shown or visible to the more number of internet users, how they will get more number of target customers means if that website is submitted in these directory services in the form of different categories, subcategories or sub-subcategories, depends upon the type of the business they are doing, depends upon the size of the business, and depends upon the location. So the website will be submitted or stored in the form of what different categories. So once marketing company website or any business company website is submitted in this are listed in this directory service, so that can be visible to internet users, so for accessing that website or for getting any products or services from that website, right? So when a web user searches for something, the search engine crawlers scan the thousands of pages in online directories to provide the results. That means what? So whenever one user is typing some keyword in search engine to search for any content or search for any type of product or services providing by different companies online, so the internet user must type what a keyword that is called search query, And based upon the search query and based upon the keyword typed by the internet user, the search engine crawlers will scan or identifies the thousands of pages or different websites which are having relevant content. Um, that too depends upon what that online pages or web pages or websites which are listed or available are registered under this online directories. So from that online directories only, the crawlers will get the required content to the internet users based upon the keyword they typed, and that will be listed out in the form of what a search engine results page. That's why I see. So when a site is listed in an online directory, it creates a quality inbound links to your site, and that also enhances your site's visibility and ranking. So until or unless your website is listed under online directory, so it cannot be visible to the internet users, and your website cannot get any page rankings by the search engines. If the page rankings are not maintained by your website, that a website will not be listed in the search results whenever any internet user wants to search relevant content which are providing by you. That's why every website, by using that website, anybody wants to promote their products or services, that website must be listed or submitted or registered under online directory services only. So it is a cost-effective way to get links and helps to establish a foundation for internet marketing. Online directories are not just a digital version of the yellow pages. They are a comprehensive platform that enables users to instantly identify, learn about, and contact businesses relevant to them. That means what? It is not just a digital version of yellow page. Right? Yellow page means what? In olden days, we have used yellow page books. In the Suppose if any person wants to know about or learn about something, they want to contact any business or anything, they need to search that required address or contact numbers or email address in a yellow pages. That is a time taking process, and that is not a cost effective. That's why, so we can say these directory service are also called digital yellow pages, similar to the yellow pages, but this is what more effective than what yellow pages. So once your website, your business name, your company address, your contact number, email IDs, and your products or services, and your available business available times which are registered under these online directory services, so this will be visible to the internet users whenever any internet user wants to get any um, kind of product or service from your company, so they can easily find with the help of these directory services which are listed in online the form of search results. So they exist on web, social media platforms, and smartphones, etc. These directory services are available in internet and social media platforms and smartphones in the form of different applications or not. And examples of online business directories are Google, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and Bing, etc. All these companies are providing what different online directory services for different businesses. And the next, we can talk about what the small topic called a chain letter or chain letters. And a chain letter is a letter or a message, often with a promise of money, sent to a huge number of people, asking each recipient to forward them to as many other people as they can. That means what? These chain letters are what? A letter. It can be a letter or a message, and this can be sent to different people, and that message can contains what a promise of money or a promise of a benefit they can get whenever they send or forward the same message to different people. So like this, some letters or messages, that means what email letters or any text message, sometimes we can get from some known business companies or unknown business companies. So these type of messages which are promising the people that whenever they send this same message to huge number of people, so definitely they may get what a money in the form of rewards or discounts or any kind of offers they are making. And virtually all chain letters hold out some sort of reward for reproducing them, be it be blessings, good luck, money. But on the flip side, there are threats of calamity for failing to circulate the requisite number of copies. Like, please forward this message to 10 or 20 or 30 people, otherwise, you will get a bad news in a week. That means what? So often we will get what some kind of a message to our smartphones, or we can get some kind of mails into our email box that, so please forward this message to 10 people or 20 people or 30 people, so you will get a good luck within a 1 week, or you'll get some blessings from the god, or you can get some money back. So otherwise, definitely you'll get what some bad news, or else you will hear a bad news from you will lose something like that. They will send some kind of unknown messages to the people. So some people they will get what some people will trust these type of message, and they will send to different people. The same message will be forwarded to different people. That means what, that is the one technique of marketing. Regarding their products and services, right? So that means what, how it means. So nowadays a chain letter may take the form of email also. That means what, these type of chain letters are getting in the form of emails also. That is an instant message or posing on a social network, a text message also. So these type of chain letters we can get in the form of emails, in the form of instant text message into our mobile, or else the different text messages or image messages or any video message, viral videos which we can get on our social networks also. That shows what an email chain letters to be proved as a cheapest and useful means of reaching wide range of people in electronic marketing. So nowadays the same chain letter mechanism nowadays the companies are also using, that is called email chain letters. An email may contain information about a product or service, will reach target customers and give them some benefits when they forward to it their friends. So many of corporate pioneers follow this strategy to reach new customers which are not in their database. Suppose nowadays most of the companies, some corporate companies are adopting this type of chain letter mechanisms, but these chain letters are having what only the information related to their product or services, and they're also providing what some benefit if they send that same message, if they forward the same message to their friends or colleagues or relatives or any other persons, so they'll get some benefit in the form of what rewards or cashbacks, or some discount vouchers, or money also. So like that they are promoting products or services by providing some benefits by sending email chain letters to different people. And those people, if they send to some other people, that means what, like that they are increasing more number of target customers, though those information is not there in their database, right? So this is one of the technique. For example, if you see Google, so this Google Pay. Suppose sometimes you may get a kind of information from your friends or relatives who are using Google Pay. So they will send some message. That message contains what, if you send this message to your friends or relatives, so you may get what, 15 rupees into your account, like that. Suppose if you send that link to your friend by with that link, your friend is installed that Google Pay application. So immediately you may get what, 51 rupees into your Google Pay account. So like that, Google Pay is also main, and they are also adapting these type of chain letters mechanism, which are providing some benefits by forwarding some links or messages to different people to get more number of customers or consumers, right? So this is about what chain letters. So that's about today's topic. So thank you so much.